What does X mean on Snapchat? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about what the X icon means on Snapchat. If you have ever noticed different icon next to your chats like camera, message bubble or an X, you might be wondering what they indicate. So let's break it down and understand what this X really means. So, when you open your Snapchat chat list, you'll see different icons next to the different contacts. A camera icon means you can send snaps to that friend. A message icon means you can send only text, not snaps. An X icon means when you haven't added that person as a friend yet or they haven't accepted your friend request. And with this, what should we do if you see X? If the X appears next to chat, it means you are not friend with that person yet. If you tap on chat, you will see option to add them as a friend. If they accept your request, the X will disappear and the camera icon will appear instead. However, if they don't allow messages from non-friends, you will only see the message icon instead of the camera. And if you see the X next to the friend you have previously added, it means that they have removed you from their friend list and you can no longer send snaps or message unless they re-added you. This can be also the way to check if someone has unfriended you or blocked you on Snapchat. The easiest way to remove the X is to send a new friend request and wait for them to accept it. And if you don't want to add them back, you can simply clear the chat from the chat list. And that's it. Now you know what the X means on Snapchat and what to do if you see that in your chat list. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.